Volkswagen is coming out with a new, more digitally savvy midsize sedan, and it's fully electric. We're interested to see how well the Volkswagen ID7 competes against the benchmark-setting Tesla Model 3. Interior and tech. The electric sedan boasts a digital-first cabin, including an augmented reality head-up display as well as a 15.0-inch screen in the center of the cockpit. Drivers can control various climate settings on the central screen, including heated and ventilated seats. Sliders just below the screen can be used for adjusting cabin temperature. Certain requests can be made through voice commands, too. The command "Hello, Volkswagen, my hands are cold" will prompt the ID7 to activate the heated steering wheel function. Additionally, the car can automatically cool the interior on hot days or warm the interior on cold days when it senses the driver is approaching with a key. We look forward to trying out the controls for ourselves on a production car. We haven't had the best luck with the ID4's streamlined cabin, but know the automaker has been working on improvements. The large 15.0-inch touchscreen alone may make for a better in-car experience. Range. We expect the Volkswagen ID7 to offer competitive range capabilities. VW has estimated up to 700 kilometers, 435 miles, based on the WLTP cycle, which is typically more optimistic than the EPA cycle. Here in the US, the ID7 could reach the 300-mile mark on the EPA cycle, depending on trim. For comparison, the Tesla Model 3 can travel between 272 and 358 miles, depending on configuration, while the BMW i4 gets between 227 miles and 301 miles.